Open the bag of wonders. Hi, Luna Laguna.
Hi.
Hi, Isabella, birthday girl.
Oh, you're recording?
I am.
Yeah.
You see this big old present?
Are you ready?
Who's it for?
It's gonna be.
It's for me because
Why?
tomorrow's my birthday.
How old are you gonna be?
7.
Wow.
Oh wait, my glasses. I need my glasses. Okay.
In the middle of the video? Why'd you wait till after?
Go nuts.
What is that?
You can drop the paper on the floor. What is that, Izzy?
Can you open this thing?
Let me see. Can I
What
film
is
it? It's a squishy, a blob squishy.
Okay.
Blob.
Okay.
That's
Wait, we'll open everything. Put everything. Let's just open our gift first.
Yeah, go.
So, blob squishy.
A tingle. A tingle.
With the fidgets?
Look at the tingle.
You don't have one yet.
Here's a tango.
Keep going.
There's one. Yeah, give me, I'll put it back in there.
Keep going. Keep going.
A water snake.
What is that?
A snake.
Let me see.
You can put them on the
Yeah,
floor, honey.
come here.
You can put them on the floor too. Whatever.
Oh, that feels cool.
What?
Keep going. You can drop them on the floor, baby.
You can throw them to the wall.
Or you can throw them because you're like a boss today.
Wait.
Yeah, they come out, honey.
Yeah, they come out of that
Is
plastic.
this Mommy?
It's just wrapped up.
Oh, this is the last that right?
Take it
Yeah,
out.
it comes out.
Take it out.
Do you want to see what else we got first?
No, I like it with the crinkly noise.
Oh, you
Okay.
like it with the crinkly noise? Okay.
What's that?
Take that tissue paper.
Needles!
Oh, Nita.
Color changing!
Color changing? What, when you squeeze them? Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Look, it looks like a fidget cube.
It is a fidget. It's a fidget.
Wow, another thing! So many fidgets!
The bag of wonders.
Now, you know what we're doing tonight?
Wait.
Izzy, what?
A puppet!
Let me see. Ooh, that's a big poppet.
I always wanted one of these!
Because of that? Oh, yeah, those are cool, right?
Yes, I always wanted one of these.
What's that? Wacky track? No, what is this? Cool.
This.
IQ ball.
That is your new fidget holder.
Look at my backpack!
And it's crystal
See right
clear,
through
so you could see all the cool fidgets inside.
Oh, this is in my backpack.
And also you can...
No, not for school. That's your fidget holder.
No, that's not for school.
I mean, if you want to take it to school, you can. But I got it.
It's way
I think you might have a different bag for that.
But
I don't know.
yeah, that's so you could see all the cool
What do
fidgets.
I know?
DNA.
DNA bars.
DNA balls. What?
DNA balls. What else is in there?
A pineapple.
Pineapple!
Look, a pineapple.
And now you got a pineapple poppet and a pineapple squeeze thing. Oh, there's two in here, is it?
Wow, it
One colorful.
was.
A watermelon.
Regular one.
A watermelon.
Oh, cool.
Wow.
Mochis.
Wait.
That one looks like a machine.
Poops. Poop.
Squishy poop.
Oh, I could have helped you with that.
We don't want yours, thank you. Yeah.
Look.
You don't have one of those yet, right?